Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In the last video, we introduced our 1994 Toyota Mk4 Supra that we bought for really cheap. We did a quick walk around showing you guys all around the car. Unfortunately, we also discovered that the car had a ticking sound in the engine in our last video. Our friend Tune came over to help us do a tune-up, oil change, spark plug change. In fact, we flushed the oil twice, hoping that that will fix the issue. That didn't. Well, at this point, to no avail. We've tried everything possible. We've changed the oil, changed the plugs, changed some of the seals, to no avail. It's still making that horrid sound. So unfortunately, we have to try option 2. We ended the last video by taking the car over to the shop. In today's video, we hope to strip the engine apart, try to figure out what's wrong with it, and hopefully put the engine back together in this video. Thank you all for joining. My name is MJ. Let's start. Now, unfortunately, unlike my other videos, I was unable to sit down with them through the entire process. So you're just going to get snapshots of the entire process in bits. And we're going to talk about what exactly was wrong as the engine had been stripped down. Last video, we dropped off the car, so we're just going to pick up right there. So here we have the block on the head and the shaft. So we've taken out almost all of them to see. This one is not so bad, but majority of them are like that. So there's a bunch of almost everything. The water pump wasn't feeding oil into the engine here, at least to the rings that scored, like this one. Look how bad this is, like completely gone. So while it's out, I want to try to change the engine mounts, that one and that one. They are clearly just completely shot. Clean everything up, like I said. You know, give it a nice, good clean since everything's out. Make it look legit again. So at this point in the video, you're probably wondering if a 2JZ engine is super reliable, why did I get a bad one? Well, here in this part of the world, not every engine is maintained as it should be. So I'm guessing this engine missed a few maintenance schedules, a couple actually. As the engine showed, the oil was really bad when we did the first oil change, and a few other parts of the car shows you that it didn't get as much love as it needed, and realistically that's why it was so cheap. I knew that going into it. I didn't anticipate for an engine to blow up or to have the issue that it did right when I got it. I thought I'd enjoy it for a little bit, but unfortunately this is where we are. Needless to say, I'm glad we're here. I'm glad we're getting this sorted out right at the beginning so we can enjoy the car a little bit more further down the line and do all the little things that we need to do to it to make it even better. Day 2, the engine bay is painted. Engine bay has taken a different turn. All of the wash over there, these parts still have to be painted, but most of it has been cleaned and sprayed completely black. I like how it's done. Since the engine bay was painted, I thought it was only fair to get the trunk to match. I got it clean, primed, and painted as well to match the engine bay with this matte black finish. Not the best work, but a lot better than what it was before. So now it looks a little bit more presentable. And then later down the line, we can look for like an engine cover or make one ourselves if we can find one on like eBay. compressor.
Money.
So what do you do to the compressor?
Still not on though. Yeah, me.
What am I looking for? Okay. Yeah. So what does turning need to do?
Me check it popping out.
If it's pumping? So it's supposed to pump? Okay. What my friend's saying here is he had to ensure that the compressor was working. They had to reseal it and put, I believe it's some sort of compressor oil back in the compressor and make sure that it's working properly, which they've done. Another thing which I didn't really like on the Supra was these weather strippings or rain blockers or whatever they're called. I didn't like them. They look really tacky. You can tell that they've been changed before in the front and the back, and the person who did it just did an absolutely poor job. So I wanted that changed.
I just told you. How are you seeing it now? Yeah.
Ọ̀gbẹ́ni ṣe tó rẹ ṣe gàrí ní kólé rẹ. Wà á dọ́kọ̀tà ti pa lẹ́yìn. Àlòkù ni. Àlòkù lẹ́yìn sáré.
No, not yet. I go wait, may you change the belts. I just want to start them here. They don't drive them.
You might test them.
Nah, lie. We are driving the Supra for the first time. We did a quick test run of the Toyota, but it didn't end too well. More of that in the next video. This is where we want to end it for now. I'm super excited and grateful to all these guys for putting in the work. Got this done in record time. Thanks to Tunde for supervising and getting everything done, and every other person who pitched in. It was so real to see it turn around so fast. Hearing it run well for the first time, it makes all the difference. For now, I want to say thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time.